Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into a beautiful untold story of one of India's greatest spiritual masters, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, a story that reveals not just divine mystery but also timeless life values that can inspire us all. If you believe in the power of love, purity, and seeing the sacred in the simple things around us, then stay with us. Let's journey together into the heart of spirituality as taught by Ramakrishna. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our inspiring stories. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, known for his deep devotion and mystical experiences, was not only a saint but also a teacher who lived the values of love, compassion, and simplicity. While many know his grand spiritual feats, today we share an untold story that beautifully illustrates how divinity shines in everyday life through a sacred banana tree. During his days at the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, Ramakrishna noticed children plucking banan as from a special tree in the temple garden, which was actually not allowed. Instead of scolding them, he chose a different path. He explained gently how the tree itself was a living symbol of divine energy. This teaches us an important life value, respect for nature and all living things. Ramakrishna showed that when we approach others, including nature, with kindness and understanding rather than anger, we create harmony and inspire respect. Days later, villagers noticed something unusual. The bananas from that tree seemed to glow softly under the moonlight and gave off a calming fragrance that brought peace to all who experienced it. What seemed like a simple fruit became a symbol of inner peace and divine presence. People came from near and far, not just to see the miracle, but to feel that serene energy. Ramakrishna never claimed any magical powers. Instead, he reminded us of a profound truth. When the heart is pure and full of love for God, even the simplest things in nature reflect divine grace. This story teaches us another key life value: purity of heart and love as the source of all miracles. It is a call to nurture love within ourselves so the world around us can reflect that love back. Finally, this tale is a powerful reminder that the miraculous is often quiet, humble, and found in the small wonders around us, like a glowing banana tree under the moonlight. It invites us to slow down, be present, and recognize the sacredness in everyday moments. From Ramakrishna's life and D teachings, we learn that spirituality isn't something distant or complicated. It is woven into the very fabric of life when approached with compassion, respect, and pure love. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the untold story of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and the sacred banana tree. May this story inspire you to see the divine in the world around you, to treat all life with respect, and to cultivate love and purity in your heart. If this story touched you, please like and share it with others who seek peace and inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe for more sacred stories that illuminate the path of life. Until next time, stay kind, stay loving, and remember, the divine is always closer than you think.